Hey guys, welcome back. So right now we got this one. I got the knife. I'm so sure. So I just had some of this on baking soda, and it looks. One pump, two pump, three pump, 4, 5, 6. Okay. That's just 6 pumps. This happens to you. So I'm actually going to use 2 paper towels. So I'm gonna try to eat. Don't try this at home. People did say that it might have a different effect each time. So let's see what it does to me. Okay, I got one side tape. One side tape.
fall within 48 hours of the emergency medical condition, which does have to do with mental health and substance disorder, then they've covered themselves. And
Can't
if they
see
call
that.
for the next business day after the medical condition, they've also covered themselves with regards to certification. The problem is, I just spoke to Janine, is they leave a message for the after-hour nurse, and there's no after-hour nurse returning the phone call. So technically, in the perfect world,
You
there
guys
should
probably
be
will see this
service where somebody calls and can discuss this with them. Or
so,
there should be a message
bye,
on that
guys.
recording
Hope
that
you
says,
enjoyed.
you know,
I
within 48
think
hours.
hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like, do that.
It's
If
the,
this
no,
was
no,
funny,
it's the
just
facility,
comment down.
which
And if
was
you really
Janine.
want to see what
She handles that piece of
part
it
two,
with regards to
betcha the
Dover General. The
Really
issue we have right now is
So,
because
comment
it's
down
not
below.
delayed,
part
they were
two.
preparing to move
Okay,
them again to
bye.
another
You guys are now gonna
ER site.
I'll say it.